Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're doing a lot of dirt bike tricks. Key, we're just doing jumps right now, but I'm gonna tell you whenever I'm gonna resume the video whenever we're doing like awesome jumps and stuff. So, and here's a four-wheeler I'm driving. Everybody else is driving dirt bikes. Here, like, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Do something good. Yeah, see that? See that? I'll be back in a second. Yeah, done. Yeah. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's go. Oh, did you see that? Oh my gosh. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, here he comes again. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh, no. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Let's get us going too. Now we're driving. Yeah. Slightly boring, but yeah. I'll be back in a sec. Let's go, Hunter! Oh! Well, let's go! Oh my gosh! Oh, here. His name's Tucker. The other one's named Hunter. That's named Toby, and I'm Matthew. Woo! Here he comes! 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 Woo! Oh, that was, here goes Toby. Oh, did you see that? There all they go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really like it. Love it. Okay, here he comes, here he comes. Here he goes, Donna. Here he goes, whoop. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do a whole bunch of other stuff. Thank you guys so much. And if you like four-wheelers, do #4-wheelers. Oh!